If you're wondering how you can download and install goodlock on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your tablet. Now after you do that, then tap on Open. Now just tap on anywhere on the screen to remove the notification. Now once you open the FindLock app, then just scroll down and look for the option of goodlock. Now as you can see, this is the option of goodlock. Now just tap on it and select Visit FindLock homepage. Now from here, just scroll down and look for the option of goodlock. After you find it, just tap on it. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Download APK. Select Download Anyway. Then tap on Open. Select Install. Now just tap on Open. And as you can see, we have successfully installed goodlock on our tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can download and install goodlock on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.